The Sri Lanka Business and Biodiversity Platform was launched in 2012 as a tool to foster dialogue between the private sector and conservation organizations to ensure conservation and protection of Sri Lanka's fragile environment. The platform encourages businesses to adopt greater environmental consciousness and ecological responsibility whilst carrying out their activities in a joint venture between the Ceylon Chamber of Commerce, the IUCN, the International Union for the Conservation of Nature, and Dilmah Conservation, three dynamic institutions committed to upholding the values of sustainable development in Sri Lanka.
There is a need for businesses to recognize that preservation of the environment around us is crucial for the sustainability of our businesses.
Since its launch, the platform has provided valuable services to the Sri Lanka business community who have invested in sustainable development and conserving the natural resources of our country. The platform's broad-based objectives include adding economic value to biodiversity conservation and integrating these values within the core of the business, promoting national cooperation and exchange of ideas and information, strengthening and increasing involvement of the private sector in biodiversity conservation. Programs launched by the platform include the establishment of a resource bank, a web portal with tools to assist in project development, information dissemination via regular public forums, and a joint program with the private sector on species conservation, in particular, conserving the endemic sloth bear. Members of the platform have a host of benefits, including direct access to sectoral best practices in biodiversity conservation, a forum for dialogue, exchange of knowledge, information, and methods on biodiversity conservation, access to information on national and international biodiversity conservation priorities, technical advice and assistance in integrating biodiversity concerns into projects, and networking opportunities. Membership of the platform is open to Sri Lanka-based businesses ranging from SMEs to national and multinational companies, business associations, as well as expert institutions. Leading corporates with high standards of environmental custodianship have backed the initiative by becoming patron members of the platform. As another significant milestone, the platform has now opened its doors to general membership. The B&B platform has taken the lead in establishing international links and networks with other such centers of excellence and networking bodies, such as the Global Partnership for Business and Biodiversity, the United Nations Global Compact, UNGC, and the World Business Council for Sustainable Development. We invite Sri Lanka's corporate citizens to venture beyond their current corporate social responsibility initiatives and to join hands with the Business and Biodiversity Platform to create a sustainable future for all Sri Lankans.